When you have a passion for cooking in your DNA, well, someday you might feel compelled to share it with the public in the form of what else but a restaurant. That's what happened to a couple of East Nashville sisters who already had professional careers. Well, it all unfolded in a place called Shugga Hi.
She's the master baker, and I'm the master eater, and I'm certified.
Meet sisters Kathy Leslie and Sandra Austin. They're the owners of Shugga Hi Bakery and Cafe, here in the shadows of downtown Nashville on Dickerson Pike. Kathy is a full-time attorney. Sandra has a background in banking. Yet it was a natural-born love for food and hospitality that led to this new joint venture.
Sandra's been cooking, baking for a very, very long time, and I said, Sandra, why don't we just go in business? I mean, people kept asking, when you should go in business, you should go in business. She's a little modest. She's an excellent baker, and what makes her unique is that not only can she bake, she can cook as well.
While weekend brunch is the main attraction, on slower days, customers can order from the cafe menu. A favorite dish for breakfast or lunch is their chicken and waffles.
The waffles are made from Sandra's cake batter, whatever she's making that day, so we'll make the waffle out of that, whether it be French vanilla, chocolate decadence, strawberry. We do a pina colada.
By now, you might wonder where the name Shugga Hi came from. Well, me too.
Sugar, you know, her cakes and desserts, it has no calories, but just sugar. You understand? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But anyway, so we did a little play with it, sugar, and we did sugar. And the Hi, which is H-I, is hospitality.
Sandra's in charge of the sugar part. She's a first-class baker who learned from a great teacher, her mom.
My mother was an excellent cook, an excellent baker, and I would just hang up under her and just watch everything. So around the holidays, which was our favorite time, we would cook about 20 cakes. I think my most famous cake is my strawberry cake. It's made with fresh strawberries, strawberry puree, and then I would think it would be the lemon cake. But I make a bomb rum cake that is just, it's awesome.
Awesome is a word often used to describe their Sunday brunch. A friendly, festive affair guaranteed to satisfy the heartiest of appetites.
It's a pretty big deal. It's called Jazz and Eggs. And we have jazz. And then we have about 20 dishes wrapped all around here with Sandra's pastries and so forth.
Yes.
Dessert bar. Then we have a waffle bar and so forth. So it's a pretty big deal.
I love the atmosphere as well as the food. Nice family-oriented restaurant.
Yeah, it's our 2-year wedding anniversary. So we came with great friends and enjoying the bottomless mimosas for sure.
Well, the sign did say all-you-can-eat buffet, and I think this is about all I can eat. Oh, I'm saving some for the crew, of course. One important question, though, who's the boss?
Well,
I am.
It's quite a task to consistently turn out people-pleasing cuisine, to keep those mimosa glasses filled, and to keep any sibling rivalry out of the equation.
Sandra's my best friend. Best friend, and so we get a, now it's not that we don't have our little differences, but that's all they are, differences. That's my buddy right there. She watches after me and I watch after her. And so it's a joy to work with her, and then our family works here, and so we just have a little family affair.
A family affair indeed. And if guests who visit Shugga Hi feel that way too, well, that's part of the plan.
You know, I was thinking about this the other day, Sandra.
what, Kathy?
Okay. So I was thinking about this. We live in a time where there's coldness in the world, right? With, you know, from all walks of life. So we just wanted to create love. That's all. And we equate food with love. So when people come in here, It's all about, we're glad to see you. They could go anywhere they want to go. So a lot of places in Nashville, but we feel so honored and blessed when they come in and sup with us. And so we hug people. I feel like I'm in a church line. I just hug people going out. I'm like, is this a church line? But anyway, we just feel, and people expect it. So you need to go in a place that you feel welcome, not just tolerated, but appreciated.